Hello, church people. It's a good evening, and yeah, it's chilly. It's chilly. It's chilly. Kurutono, tona chokwa. Ah, it's freezing cold. And ndabva ndafungiswa this song that these guys used to sing. These guys should come back and tell me kuti vaimbonyatsoimba kuti chii. I really want to know the actual words when we were in school. There was this group, and they were good singers. And they'll be like, now I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. Oh, chilly Jordan, chilly and cold, chilly Jordan. I wanna cross over. I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. And they'll be like different voices at a time. Oh, chilly Jordan, chilly and cold, chilly Jordan. I wanna cross over. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. Oh, chilly Jordan, chilly and cold. You guys, can you hear me sing? Can you hear me sing? Can you hear me sing? Yeah, I couldn't be in the choir, but now I can sing that song you guys were singing. And everyone is listening. That's what God does. Never have anyone kill your dream. Never believe in negative words. Never believe in people who cannot see your dream. You are the dreamer. You are the Joseph. You can tell someone your dream and they might not understand it. They might misinterpret it because they did not see it. It's you who saw your dream. So you understand your dream better. It's best you take it to God. Guys, I believe in this God, and I can't, I can't thank him enough for making it possible for me to realize my dream. Me standing here and singing a song that was being sung in a church choir or Nema singers, I know my best singers in the school, and whilst I was one of those mediocre those that just sing here and there, I thank God. I can't stop marveling at what God can do. When you have a dream, hold on to it and wait for such a time when God will reveal and fulfill that dream according to the calling that he put on your life. So these guys were singing then, and I feel like, I just wish I could meet them and ask them, but guys, tell me the actual words of the song, because yeah, it will be like, now I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. Oh, chilly Jordan, chilly and cold, chilly Jordan. I wanna cross over. Hey. That was one person. And then the other one will be like, and the other will be like, and all together they'll be like, chilly Jordan, chilly and cold, chilly Jordan. I wanna cross over. I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. I think that's why I'm singing this song about the chill, 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 chill. I'm freezing cold and yeah. Hakuna fashion police. Ndikunzwei. Ndikunzwei. There's no fashion police here. Yeah, ndatonorwa and yeah, that's just it. I've got to be a teddy bear and I love it. Chilly Jordan, chilly and cold. I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. Now I wanna leave this chilly place. 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 Remember, it would be a quartet, so everyone will be like singing in their own. You know how it is at school. We had so much fun. Where are you, Nyazura guys? Nyazura mission guys. I miss you so much, and may God bless you. May He open doors for you wherever you are. That's where I learned singing, and I'm proud that I passed through Nyazura mission. It's by grace of God. It was just for me to get 1 or 2 lessons. So I can get it right and be able to do it like they do it. You know, those guys saying, and I want to believe even up to now, Seventh-day Adventist people have this thing, they have this machine. I don't know whether it's somewhere up here or it's somewhere here, or is it like, I don't know, but it goes like, the vibrating kind of thing, I could not do that. It took me a whole lot of effort and a whole lot of time. But every time I'll try and shake my voice and say, even my face would be, following the vibration. My face would be vibrating. I'll be making faces. But I'll see these girls are just singing with a straight face, smiling face, and the voice is coming, vibrating like boom, boom, boom from here. You guys, thank you so much. I miss you. You taught me a lot. And I am what I am because I passed through Nyazura mission. May God continue to bless that school. I love you so much. Let's talk. Let's meet here. This is the meeting place for all the church persons that have contributed positively into my life. Feel free to come on this page and just say hi, church people. How are you doing, church persons? God bless you.